Hey guys, and today we're taking a look at the Jam Touch Bluetooth speaker. Let's take a closer look. This speaker features touch controls and has enough sound to fill any room. This speaker also has a wireless range of 30 feet. This speaker is perfect for small parties with a 5-hour battery life and takes 3 hours to charge. You can charge this speaker through micro USB. If you don't want to use the Bluetooth feature on this speaker, you also have the option to use an auxiliary port instead. You can pick the speaker up in black, blue or red. I currently have the red version. I bought this speaker off the Jam website for £20, which is a good price for this type of speaker. So please comment, rate and subscribe, and I'll see you next Monday.